Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to brown sugar. A lot of people do stew chicken. A lot of people buy brownie in the store. I'm going to show you how you can use oil and sugar and brown, and I'm going to show you how you do it. You could also store it in a bottle and you could put it in the fridge or wherever you wanna, whenever you feel like using it. So we have oil. We're gonna be using any type of oil. You could use any type of oil. So now you put the oil in the pot, you allow the oil to heat up. After the oil heat up, we're gonna add some sugar in it. Then you're gonna see the process of how to make browning, or how to brown sugar, or how to make brown sugar to stew. For instance, you want to stew chicken, you want to stew duck, you want whatever you feel like eating. But this is just a video to show people how simple it can be to brown your own sugar. So the oil is heating up. So we're just allowing the oil to heat up. We outdoors, so even anything get inside it, that's okay. This is just to show you how to do it. Alright? Usually you could use brown sugar. You also could use white sugar. Whatever you have. But this is how you could use sugar and make browning. Okay, so let's start adding the sugar in the pot. Let's start adding the sugar in the pot and just lower it there. You're gonna see what start happening in a few. So making browning, you're trying to stew chicken, whatever you're trying to stew, guys, this is an easy way how to make your own browning. Instead of you got to go to the store and buy one, you don't know what they do, you don't know what's inside it. This is a way how to create your own living off the land. So you're going to start see what happening. You're going to start see the process of what actually happening in a few minutes. While the fire is blazing, the heat coming up, and the heat gonna start melting the sugar. The sugar already start melting to the bottom. You notice, you're gonna see what start happening. The sugar start melting. The sugar start melting. You see what's going on? The sugar start bubbling up. So this gonna be turning brown in a minute. With the heat underneath, just like that, it's gonna turn brown. You could add more sugar, but you don't want to add too much sugar because the sugar gonna make it too thick, and you don't want it to be too thick. You want it to be, you know, watery, because you want to pour it in a bottle and store it. So if you want to go stew some meat, you could just put it, and you just put the meat inside of the pot when you done stew, when you don't brown the sugar. You could just dash the meat and store it up. Alright? So yes, guys, it start turning, you allow it to turn, you're gonna see the sugar start bubbling up in a minute. Yeah. Yes. So this is how you brown sugar, guys. You put some oil, you allow the oil to heat up, then you put the sugar into the oil and allow the sugar to melt. It doesn't matter what type of sugar. It could be brown, it could be white. And when it's melt, you store it around, then you could put whatever you want inside it. Whatever meat, whatever you want. I'm just showing this video. I don't eat meat, but I'm just showing this video because someone asked me to make this video. And I'm actually doing it outdoors. Alright, so you see it start coming up. You see the sugar start bubbling. Where it hot, if you want, you could also add, according to how much oil you have. According to how much oil you have, you could add a little more sugar. That's gonna bubble up very fast because it's hot. So watch it, keep boiling. Alright guys, you see what's going on here? It starts getting brown. We have a little sugar underneath. When that get brown, we're gonna start stirring everything. Now you could allow it to get as dark as you want it to. Alright? As dark as you want it to. If you don't want it too dark, you can allow it like this. You see like how this is brown? You see how the sugar boiling in? You see how this is brown? You could allow it like that. Or you can allow it to get a little darker. Now the thing what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start stirring it. Oh man, the fat is so hot. So we're gonna start stirring. We want everything to mix in. You see how it turn brown, guys? Watch here. But you want everything to mix in. Look how it turn. It start getting darker now. You see? It start getting darker. You see what? You see? This is how you make browning, guys. This is how you brown sugar. So it goes to how dark you want it. Look at it. Look at it. You see? Look at it. So now guys, we got to take it off from over here because too much fire is here. And if you see, we don't want it. This is basically it, guys. Browning. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.